Yo, I'm getting so many games for free, man. Yo, what's up guys, I'm ATH, or known as AsianTryHard, and in today's video I will be showing you guys how to get any Xbox One game for free. And before this video begins, I just want you guys to just hit the like button for me and subscribe. I don't know, I just say it right before the video now. I mean, there's like a 0.1% chance people are actually gonna listen, but whatever. So let's get right into this video. So all you have to do is just go into the store, choose what game you guys want to get for free, of course, and let's see which one of your friends have the game that you guys want to get. Wow, you guys know the friend? That's good, because you guys need to get the friend or a family member that has the game that you guys want to get and that you guys want to get for free and not pay at all. So all you have to do is just log into their account. You can ask for their account information. If they don't allow it, then that sucks, but just say that you want the game for free because they have it. And if they don't allow you to download it for free because they paid for it, you can just ask them if you're allowed to pay half price for it, and then they're like, okay. You pay them in real life, they give you their account information, you log in, download it, log out, sign out of there, so they can trust you. So I've done this with a lot of my friends. I've got 2K off them, I got FIFA off them, I gave them GTA 5 and other games like that. So that's just how you do it. You just gotta log into their account. Just make sure that they're not online first of all, because if you get into their account when they're online, let's just go log them out. They're gonna be really angry after, so just be careful of that. But that's just how you do it, and I'm 100% sure it works, because this is how it works. So let's say, you know how like Apple, right? You have an iPhone, you download something on there off the App Store that costs like $5. You can go onto the iPad and download the same thing. If you have the same Apple ID, you'll be able to get it for free. That's the same thing that works for Xbox, so that's why it works like that. But anyways, that's gonna be the end of this video. If you guys enjoyed this what the heck am I saying? If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And I will see you guys in my next video. Goodbye.